Do you like chia pudding? Do you like chia seeds? What's up, beautiful people? My name is Sarah Jane, and today I'm going to give you 3 simple steps for a successful meal prep. I lost 30 pounds with a ketogenic diet, 10 of those pounds which I lost in 1 month. If you haven't checked out that video, you can find it down below in the description or right up here. I attribute meal prepping to a big part of my weight loss. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I throw it down in the kitchen for my meal prep. I feel like eating good and losing weight do not have to cancel each other out. Like, you should be able to eat good and lose weight at the same time. And I feel like I've mastered that. I get so many questions on Instagram. Sarah Jane, how many hours do you spend in the kitchen? Sarah Jane, do you live in your kitchen? Yo, the food looks so good. You can also eat that good and meet your weight loss or your fitness goals if you follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, have a plan. There is no way that you can successfully meal prep just waltzing into your kitchen with no plan. Your plan must start as early as grocery shopping. Whenever I go grocery shopping, before I go, I make a list of the things that I'm going to be making or I'm going to be eating for the rest of the week. So if I'm going to be eating chicken wings and cauliflower fried rice, I write down the things that I need to make chicken wings and cauliflower fried rice. It's really important that you go out with the objective and a plan, because it's very easy to go to the grocery store and pick up a bunch of different things that you don't need, come home with a bunch of groceries that won't be beneficial to you, when instead you can make a plan and go to the store with an objective and come home with ingredients that you'll need to make your meal prep. So always have a plan and a menu. The second thing I recommend for a successful meal prep is to start simple. Now is not the time for you to be experimenting and making these grand meals if you've never made them before. The point of a meal prep is for you to be able to effectively and efficiently make food for the rest of the week within your macros. For that to be possible, you need to have a staple set of meals that you can turn to at any given time, which you should be able to whip up in a good amount of time that you enjoy for the rest of the week. So don't start experimenting with recipes and things you haven't really tried before when you're just starting out. Start simple. My favorite go-to is chicken and broccoli. You can make chicken in so many different ways, and you can put that thing with broccoli and it will always taste good. I have a ton of chicken and broccoli recipes on my blog. In the description bar, you'll find them down below. Just have a little browse on my website. All my recipes are super simple to do and meal prep approved. The third step I have for having a successful meal prep is to make stuff that you like. I cannot stress this. This is probably the most important part of a meal prep. You will not eat your lunch if you do not like your lunch. It's a very simple concept. Like, don't make stuff that you don't like because you saw your favorite Instagrammer making chia pudding. Do you like chia pudding? Do you like chia seeds? If you don't like chia seeds, don't make chia pudding because you feel it's extremely healthy for you and you should be eating it. If you don't like something, don't make it because you won't eat it. The point of having a meal prep, an enjoyable meal prep, is a meal prep that you're excited to eat. Sometimes when I finish my meal prep, I get so excited. I'm so hyped. I'm like, oh my goodness, tomorrow for lunch, I have chicken wings and cauliflower fried rice. Nobody can convince me to go out with them to eat. Nobody can convince me to cheat or to go off track because I'm excited about my lunch. Make things that you like. Make things that you know that you will enjoy and it will make you feel happy to eat. And so those are my 3 steps for a successful meal prep. The first thing is have a plan. You are not being successful on meal prep without having a plan. Number 2 is start simple. If you're not a master chef, that's okay. Start with the simplest thing that you know you can make well and that you enjoy. And number 3 is make things that you like. Don't make things that you do not like because you will not want to eat it. And so this has been my 3 simple steps on how you can have a successful meal prep. If you are part of the keto community, you eat low carb, you should definitely be following me on Instagram because that's where I document majority of my large scale meal preps. So you should definitely go on www.instagram.com/yourfriendsj and give your girl a follow. If you are new to the ketogenic diet or you're just starting out or you're interested or you've heard about keto and you want to learn more, you should definitely check out my Facebook community down below in the description. It's called Keto for Dummies, and that's a place of absolutely no judgment. You can go there and ask your dumb questions. There are no such thing as dumb questions. You can go there and share your food, your victories, and your struggles, and you'll have a community of people rising to help you and aid you. So if you haven't already, tap that link down below in the description and request to join my Facebook community. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any other questions, you can leave them down below in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as possible. This has been your friend SJ, and I am documenting the process.